Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our FTP English World. Yes, most amazing news for you. Yeah, researchers have traced the spread of highly pathogenic avian influenza in US dairy cattle to a single spillover event from a wild bird. And this finding has raised alarms about the virus's growing pandemic potential as it continues to evolve and move between species. HPAI viruses are known to pose serious risks to animal health, agriculture, and potential human health due to their ability to cross species barriers. One particular strain, H5N1 clade 2.3.4.4b, has already spread globally, infecting wild birds, poultry, and various mammals, including a small number of humans, highlighting its potential to cause a future pandemic. In 2024, this H5N1 strain was detected in dairy cattle across several US states. An unexpected and worrisome shift into a host species is not commonly associated with the virus. To understand how this happened, Thao Kuion, Naguyan, and colleagues studied how the strain evolved and spread after it arrived in North America in late 2021. The team analyzed genetic data from more than 100 virus samples that are mixed with local, less dangerous bloodthrough strains. They also included newly sequenced genomes from infected cattle and outbreak report. Their analysis points to a single bird to cow transmissions event in Texas during mid to late 2023, which went undetected for several months as the virus spread silently from cow to cow. Behind this exclusive report, FTB English, Delhi, Bharat.